Hey, it's really important, folks, to get to the root of the rot. The 62 Chevrolet truck is a perfect example of getting to the root of the rot. If you do not do that on your vehicles, your projects, you don't get down to the bare bones rotted parts, you will have problems later on. Let me show you. Okay, let me show you. This is the whole truck itself. Let me back up, get a wider angle shot. Okay, so this is called the, what part is that called? This is called the, I don't want to say it incorrectly, so I'm going to get it correctly. It's called the inner lower cowl panel right. Okay, that's a mouthful. The inner lower cowl panel right, original. What's left of it is this. This went in like something, how did it go? Oh, how did this go? I'm not doing this correctly. Okay, here it is. Nope. How did this go? Okay, this is how it went. Right here. This is how the old one was mounted. About like that. But it was all rotted and junk. But I kept it and I blasted it just to keep as a reference for times like this. Here's the new one. After making a few cuts in it, a few slices in it, this is how it goes in. It goes in like this. And it's clamped in with about 6 or 7 clamps. All those. And it clamps in. And then you weld it. So this is all structure. Heavy duty structure on this vehicle. The floor portion, the right hand floor portion is in. I've got to finish up these welds. These are what we call butt welds. And make a piece of panel right there for the floor, and make a piece of panel right there for the front, and then the lower part of the firewall. Tie it all in together. And this little piece right here is original. The this kick panel goes in. And then this thing comes up on top and it bolts through it. The bolt goes in through that way, and the one on the bottom comes out this way. And then I'm going to weld this panel, the kick panel, into the new floor. The floor combination inner rocker panel. Get that all tied in. And then come over here and do the cab corner. And then do the outer rocker panel, and then do the other side. So this is really fun work. I really like doing this kind of work. I like doing all the stuff I do, but this stuff right here is really fun. I just like it. Okay? Be good, everybody. See ya. Okay, hey friends. So just so you know, I'm inside the cab, fixing to start welding. And let me show you what I'm going to do. This right here is that lower kick panel. I don't know if you can get resolution on this, but this is all flushly mounted, and this will weld up very nicely. Notice I had to put a slice here and a couple of slices there to get it so it would fit in properly. And up here I cut that down too much. Things happen, so we'll get it fixed correctly in just a moment. Okay. Okay, what I have to do now, I'll just show you. I love this tool. I love my DeWalt tools. Stuff is great. Awesome, awesome stuff. So now, let me find this. I think it has to go. Let me put it in from the inside and see how this goes. Of course, I'll unscrew this again. Well, let me do it right now. Look, let me show you. Good stuff, really good stuff. Very expensive, but I don't like using garbage. I like using very good fasteners, very good tools, and very good products. Because it helps give a very good solution, results. So, probably going to cut some more of this up and off because it's got some holes in it. And then I've got the special bottom piece that goes on here, and I believe it also ties into this tie-in plate. So this is now secure. Very good. Juice!